Butterfly fans, it's me, Destiny, and welcome back to Destiny's World. And if you're new, welcome to Destiny's World. In Destiny's World, I will be showing you how to make easy but still beautiful art. So, if you're not an artist, don't worry, I can turn you into one. Today, I will be showing you how to turn this into this beautiful piece of art.
Ma jolie, oh ma jolie.
But before we get started, let's talk about the I forgot. Can you shout it out, please? That's right. The word of the day. The word of the day is aspiration. Aspiration is when you are determined and you never give up on your dreams. Now I'll show you what we'll be using. We'll be using some paints, sellotape, paintbrushes, scissors. I almost forgot! How silly of me. Last but not least, the canvas! So now, let's do it! You didn't have to follow the same design with the tape that I did. You could have added more tape to make more lines. Just be creative and have fun. See you next time. Goodbye.